As your company grows, managing users one by one becomes more difficult. New teammates join, responsibilities shift, and teams may expand across regions or schedules. That's where teammate groups can make a big difference. Teammate groups let you organize users into reusable teams based on shared responsibilities. As a company admin, you can click into Company Settings and select Teammate Groups to get started. Some examples of groups you might add are Tier 1 Support, Billing Team, EMEA Coverage, Weekend Support, or Escalations. The strongest groups are based on how work is actually handled, not just department names. You can add existing teammates to the group manually, or add members in bulk via a CSV. Once the group is created, click into Workspace Access to determine which workspaces this group should have access to. From here, you can get more granular and grant or revoke access to specific inboxes and manage other resource permissions. This allows you to create custom permission sets for a particular group of teammates. You can manage shared contacts access and also determine who should be able to manage this teammate group moving forward. While teammate groups are useful for so many things, one of the most impactful is for rules and automation. When creating a rule, you can reference the teammate group to ensure the simplest maintenance of rules moving forward. When you add a teammate to the teammate group, they'll automatically be included in the rule's action. There's no need to edit each rule individually to include the new teammate. Thanks to teammate groups, every time your company hires a new person and invites them to front, they'll be seamlessly integrated into the existing team and company architecture. When built thoughtfully, teammate groups save admin time today and make future growth much easier to manage.